sometimes we get asked, should I do my project in November, December, or should I wait for the spring? Definitely the best time to get started on your project is now. So if you're thinking about doing your project in November, in December, you don't need to wait to do a siding replacement project or a window replacement project until the spring. In fact, there are a lot of benefits to doing your project in November or in December. For one thing, the crews are really well rested. We have shorter days. They're definitely going to give you just as much attention to detail, high quality craftsmanship during the winter as they are during the summer. In November and December, we are playing a game of racing the clock to get our orders in before the end of the year when prices go up. You might not necessarily see it right on a price tag or on a sticker at the store, but I can guarantee that there are going to be some increased pass-through costs every spring that are going to be built into your project when you're looking to do your project in April, in May, in June, compared to doing it in November or December. A lot of contractors tend to slow down a little bit as the seasons change, as it gets colder outside. So it's a good time to get some special incentives, get a little bit of a discount on the work, and get a little bit more personalized attention. Whether you're doing your project in November or December, or you're doing it in the spring or summer, Bellwether is going to give you the same treatment. We're going to give you the same attention to detail. You're going to get the same level of craftsmanship and high quality, durable installation year round. So give us a call.